CAS500-3, Nuri. The Korea Aerospace Research Institute, KARI, successfully launched a Nuri, also known as Korean Space Launch Vehicle-II, KSLV-II, rocket with the South Korean CAS500-3 mission from Launch Complex 2, LC-2, at Naro Space Center in South Jeolla's Goheung County. This launch flew the CAS500-3 satellite with a mass at launch of 500 kilograms and 12 CubeSats to low Earth Sun-synchronous orbit, SSO. The flight took place on Wednesday, November 26, 2025 at 16 hours and 13 minutes Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, or on Thursday, November 29, 2025 at 1 hour and 13 minutes Korea Standard Time, KST. CubeSats. E3T1, KARI, Technology Demonstration. BE-1000, SpaceLeonTech. ETRISat, ETRI. Sejong-4, Hankum in Space. Cosmic, Yujuro Tech. Jack 003, 004, CosmoWorks. Persat 01, Quaternion. Snuglight 3, Seoul National University, SNU. Inharosat, Inha University. K-Hero, Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST. Spyrone, Sejong University, SJU.
Compact Advanced Satellite 500-3, CAS500-3. CAS500-3, or Compact Advanced Satellite 500-3, translated from Korean Land Satellite Number 3, is a prototype 500 kg, 1,100 pounds, class Earth observation satellite that was launched by South Korea at the Naro Space Center. In the second stage of the CAS500 development project, CAS500-3 for Space Science and Technology Verification, the Ministry of Science and ICT, CAS500-4 for Wide Area Agricultural and Forestry Observation, the Ministry of Science and ICT, the Rural Development Administration, and the Korea Forest Service, and CAS500-5 for the observation of water resources, the Ministry of Science and ICT and the Ministry of Environment, will be launched, one by one. Korean Space Launch Vehicle-II, KSLV-II. Nuri, Korean pronunciation, Nuri, meaning world in native Korean, also known as Korean Space Launch Vehicle-II, KSLV-II, is a three-stage launch vehicle, the second one developed by South Korea and the successor to Naro-1, KSLV-1. It is developed by Korea Aerospace Research Institute, KARI. All three stages use indigenously developed launch vehicle engines, making Nuri the first indigenously developed South Korean orbital launch vehicle. The Naro-1 launch vehicle used a Russian-made first stage. Naro Space Center. The Naro Space Center is a South Korean spaceport in South Jeolla's Goheung County, operated by the state-run Korea Aerospace Research Institute. The spaceport is located about 485 kilometers, 300 miles, south of Seoul. It includes 2 launch pads, a control tower, rocket assembly and test facilities, facilities for satellite control testing and assembly, a media center, an electric power station, a space experience hall and a landing field. It has supported 5 launches including the Korean Space Launch Vehicle-II, KSLV-II, launch in 2021, and will support Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, SSLV, launches in 2025. LC-1, LB-1. LC-1, also called LB-1 for the pad itself, is the first pad constructed in the Naro Space Center. It supported 3 Naro-1 launches and the KSLV-II Test Launch Vehicle, TLV, launch. It will also support the SSLV launches from 2025. LC-2, LB-2. LC-2, also called LB-2 for the pad itself, is the second pad in the Naro Space Center. It supported the first Nuri launch in 2021. Different from LC-1, which doesn't have an umbilical tower, LC-2 has a tower to support the KSLV-II. Korea Astronomy and Space Science Institute, KASI. The Korea Astronomy and Space Science Institute, KASI, is the national research institute in astronomy and space science of South Korea funded by the South Korean government. Its headquarters are located in Daejeon, in the Daedeok Science Town. Research at KASI covers main areas of modern astronomy, including optical astronomy, radio astronomy, space science, and theoretical astronomy. As of May 2024, KASI is an affiliated research institute of the Korea Aerospace Administration, CASA. Ministry of Science and ICT, MSIT. The Ministry of Science and ICT, MSIT, is a ministry of the government of South Korea. It succeeded the former Ministry of Science, ICT, and Future Planning. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. The headquarters was originally in Gwacheon, Gyeonggi-do before relocating to Sejong City in 2019 with new buildings constructed in 2021.
Electronics and Telecommunications Research Institute, ETRI. The Electronics and Telecommunications Research Institute is a Korean government-funded research institution in Daedeok Science Town in Daejeon, South Korea. Established in 1976, ETRI is a non-profit government-funded research institute. In the 1980s, ETRI developed time division exchange, TDX, and 4M dynamic random access memory, DRAM. In the 1990s, ETRI commercialized code division multiple access, CDMA. In the 2000s, ETRI developed terrestrial digital multimedia broadcasting, TDMB, wireless broadband, WIBRO, and 4G long-term evolution, LTE, advanced for mobile communications. ETRI is one of the leading research institutes in the wireless communication domain with more than 2,500 patents filed. ETRI developed ship area network technology, portable automatic language interpretation, and automated valet parking technology. As of December 14, 2015, ETRI had about 2,000 employees, of which about 1,800 are researchers. Hancom in Space. Hancom in Space Company, Limited is a company specializing in technology development in the aerospace industry and provides image all-in-one service encompassing video data collection, management, analysis, and sales. It provides satellite ground station systems, unmanned drone operation platforms, and long-range surveillance camera services, and is expanding its scope to various monitoring and analysis businesses using drones. Seoul National University, SNU. Seoul National University, SNU, is a public research university in Seoul, South Korea. It is one of the Sky Universities and a part of the flagship Korean national universities. The university's main campus is located in Gwaneuk, and two additional campuses are located in Daehaeng-no and Pyeongchang. The university comprises 16 colleges, 1 graduate school and 9 professional schools. The student body consists of nearly 17,000 undergraduate and 11,000 graduate students. Inha University. Inha University is a private research university located in Incheon, South Korea. Known traditionally for research and education in the engineering and physical sciences, the university was established by the first president of South Korea, Syngman Rhee. Inha is a Korean-American collaboration school. Even in its name, the morpheme in comes from the city of Incheon and ha from Hawaii, USA. Started as a polytechnic university in 1954, named Inha Institute of Technology, acronym, IIT, Inha Gongwa Daehak, colloquially Inha Gongdi, the institute has been achieving national recognition and a strong reputation as a technological research university thereafter. Inha University is the most well-known and #1 university in Incheon area. Inha was ranked top 10 nationwide through decades according to Jungang Ilbo's annual rankings of South Korean universities, ranked 8th in 2017. Also, Inha is a member of GU8. Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST. KAIST, originally the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, is a national research university located in Daejeon, Daejeon, South Korea. KAIST was established by the Korean government in 1971 as the nation's first public, research-oriented science and engineering institution. KAIST has been internationally accredited in business education, and hosts the Secretariat of the Association of Asia-Pacific Business Schools, AAPBS. KAIST has 10,504 full-time students and 1,342 faculty researchers, as of the fall 2019 semester, and had a total budget of $765 million in 2013, of which $459 million was from research contracts. Sejong University, SJU. Sejong University, SJU, is a private research university located in Seoul, South Korea. It is known for its standing in hospitality and tourism management, dancing, animation, rhythmic gymnastics, computer science and AI. Founded as the Kyung-sung Humanities Institute, it was renamed in 1978 to its present name in honor of Sejong the Great, the fourth king of the Joseon dynasty and overseer of the creation of the Korean alphabet Hangul. Over the years, the university expanded its academic programs and facilities, including the establishment of its main building in 1987 and the Sejong Museum in 1973. It has developed into a comprehensive university, offering a wide range of undergraduate and graduate programs.
Korea Aerospace Research Institute, KARI. The Korea Aerospace Research Institute, KARI, established in 1989, is the aeronautics and space agency of South Korea. Its main laboratories are located in Daejeon, in the Daejeok Science Town. KARI's vision is to continue building upon indigenous launch capabilities, strengthen national safety and public service, industrialize satellite information and applications technology, explore the moon, and develop environmentally friendly and highly efficient cutting-edge aircraft and core aerospace technology. Current projects include the Korean Space Launch Vehicle-II, KSLV-II, launcher. Past projects include the 1999 Arirang-1 satellite. The agency was founded in 1989. Prior to South Korea's entry into the Institute for Advanced Engineering, IAE, in 1992, it focused primarily on aerospace technology. As of May 2024, KARI is an affiliated research institute of the Korea Aerospace Administration, KASA.